Custom map art is super easy on your Minecraft Java server using the Image Maps plugin. You can download the jar file from the link in the description and upload it to the plugins folder on your server and reboot. There's no configuration needed for the plugin. Next, we'll need to create the image we want to convert to a map. The plugin will split our image into 128 by 128 pixel chunks to create the maps. So keep that in mind when creating your image. This one here will be 3 by 3 maps. Next, we'll head to the plugins folder on our control panel, open up the image maps folder and images. Then upload your PNG image to this folder. Also be sure to take note of what you've called it, as you'll need that in the next step. Then jumping back in game, we'll use the command /imagemap place, followed by the file name for the PNG file we uploaded in the previous step. Then to place the map, ours is a 3 by 3, so we'll right click on the top left and it will automatically place the item frames and the maps for us. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments. You can also check out my server Block Horizon in this video.